Module 4. What rights do copyright holders have? This video simplifies a very complex subject. This video is not a substitute for legal advice, which should be sought in cases where the application of general principles is unclear. Canada's Copyright Act balances the needs of two groups, copyright holders and copyright users. Let's discuss what rights copyright holders have under the Act. This is a simplified, general overview only. We'll just concentrate on what you'll need to understand as an educator. It's useful to think about copyright holder rights as two toolboxes with a bundle of tools inside. In one toolbox, we have moral rights. In the other, economic rights. Only the copyright holder has the right to authorize or give permission for use of any of these tools. The economic toolbox gives copyright holders the tools to make money from their creations. So what's in this toolbox? Well, things like reproduction, conversion and transfer, distribution, rent or sale, exhibition, public performance, first publication, communication, adaptation and translation, authorization. Let's examine two of these tools more closely. The right of reproduction gives copyright holders the exclusive right to produce a work and make subsequent reproductions of the work or substantial parts of it. Reproduction includes the types of copying you might do for your students, like photocopying or downloading files from the internet. The right of public performance gives copyright holders the exclusive right to perform their work in public. This includes common educational activities you might not think of as public or a performance. Activities like showing a TV broadcast or film, playing music, or having your students perform a play. Can economic rights be given away? Yes, absolutely. And when they are, the person to whom they are given becomes the new copyright holder. Now let's open the moral rights toolbox and see what's inside that. The first thing you'll notice is that moral rights come with a roll of very strong duct tape. Well, not really, but the point we're trying to make is that a creator cannot assign or transfer his or her moral rights in the same way that they can economic rights. A creator can, however, decide not to make use of their moral rights and waive them. So what do these moral rights protect? In general, moral rights protect the reputation of creators and the integrity of their work. That means creators can choose to have their name associated with their work, protect the integrity of their work, choose whether their work is associated with a product, institution, or cause. There's one more protection afforded to the copyright holders under the Copyright Act. Copyright holders can use technological protection measures, sometimes referred to as TPMs or digital locks. TPMs either control access to copyrighted content or prevent users from copying the content through encryption technology. Protected content could include movies, games, or software on CDs or DVDs. It can also include password-protected internet content. Only the copyright holder can authorize removing or circumventing these TPMs. Our copyright law encourages creation and innovation by giving copyright holders control over copying of their works. We can respect these rights by following our college's copyright guidelines. To learn more about your college's guidelines, ask the person designated by your college to answer copyright questions. Your college library is a good place to start.